I hit this issue today and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to turn off biometric login for Instacart, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Instacart app. Launch the Instacart app on your mobile device. Make sure you alert into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Tap on the profile icon or the 3 horizontal lines in the top corner to open the menu. From there, select account settings. Step 3. Navigate to security settings. In the account settings menu, look for security or privacy options. Tap on it to access the security settings for your account. Step 4. Disable biometric login. Locate the option for biometric login or fingerprint login. Toggle the switch to turn it off. You may need to confirm this action. Just a heads up, if you don't see the toggle, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Step 5. Log out and back in. To ensure the changes take effect, log out of your account and then log back in. This will refresh your settings. I hope this helps you manage your Instacart settings. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask.